Yo, what up? Tis I, Isella, back with another video, this time makeup. Yeah, I'm trying out a voiceover. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but we'll see. So, I'm starting off with my brows, using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso, I think. Watching this back, I realize how much of an idiot I am. I'm so sorry. I honestly didn't realize how into my music I was while recording this. So now I'm taking my NYX eyebrow cake powder and brunette and filling in the outline that I made with the pencil. Y'all better not flame me for my uneven eyebrows. It's not my fault that my eyebrows are complete strangers and not cousins or whatever the hell they're supposed to be. So now I'm taking my NYX Control Freak to set my brows so they don't move around. And yes, I use a lot of NYX, okay? NYX, please sponsor me if you see this video. So now I'm taking my surprise NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to set my base for my eyeshadow. Just a little disclaimer, sorry for my really deep voice, but I really don't feel like faking a girly voice if this is how I usually am all the time. So now I'm taking my beloved Take Me Back to Brazil palette and mixing the red and orange together and using it as my transition shade. The key to any colorful look is to start off with a little bit of pigment and keep building it up because it's easier to blend out that way. Thinking of I'm sorry you had to see this. So now I'm taking Love Plus by Sugar Pill to darken the red. Don't flame me in the comments for sucking at makeup. I know I'm not the greatest, but you know, I'm only doing it for fun. It's not like I'm getting paid for this or anything. Now I'm taking the NYX eyeshadow base in white to cut out my crease. At the time of recording this, I didn't know if I wanted to do a full or a half cut crease, so I guess I kind of did a hybrid between the two. It's weird. You can skip this step if you want to, but I just decided to add a little bit more red eyeshadow to diffuse the edge. And now I'm taking Buttercup Cake by Sugar Pill and adding it to my lid after this swatch. Yeah, so just pack on the yellow color. So now I'm taking my NYX Angel Veil primer to obviously prime my skin for foundation. So now I'm using the newest thing I added, which is the Do You foundation from Too Faced Tutti Frutti collection. But before I do that, I ended up using my dark circle corrector by NYX in the color medium. So now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and my NARS Radiant Concealer to conceal my stuff. Anyway, I use two different shades because I'm not a really big fan of just using the super bright concealer. I like mixing them and using one to cover blemishes, which is the Tarte Shape Tape, while the other one is for covering dark circles. Now I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder in translucent to set my concealer and the rest of my face. Now it's time to finish the eyes, so I'm just putting red on the outer corner of my lower lid and putting yellow in the inner corner of my lower lid. I use the NYX liquid white eyeliner to create the dots on the red part to represent Minnie's dress. Now I'm taking the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Fire, I believe, and I'm winging my eyeliner. Aha! Now it's time to curl your damn eyelashes. Now I'm using Better Than Sex waterproof mascara to obviously make my lashes visible. You know how it's called Better Than Sex? It should be called Love and Affection. Now I'm taking my butter bronzer in Deep, I think, and I'm bronzing up my fat ass face. Obviously, you gotta blush your face using the Milani Coral Rose. I think that's what it's called. And usually I put blush on my cheeks, and I'm that extra bitch that loves to put it on their nose. You can't forget the highlight, so I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighting stick in When the Nude Strikes and just placing it where you normally put highlighter. LMAO. I don't know what this is called, but it's some random lip crayon in like fire brick or whatever. And we gotta make sure this makeup stays on even through all the water rides at Disneyland, so make sure you gotta use that Urban Decay All Night Spray or whatever it's called. And that's pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see more looks like this colorful, then let me know by commenting or hitting me up on my social media. Bye bitches.